Hey Vikings, I'm Faith.
And I'm Cameron.
And welcome back to this week's broadcast. Do you smell that?
No, you're smelling things.
No, I think it's the hearts they're dissecting in PBS.
Let's go check it out then.
Students in pre-biomedical science or PBS recently did a sheep heart dissection.
For PBS, we are currently finishing up what's considered Unit 1, which has a ton of lessons. It's our forensic science unit, so we're trying to figure out what finally happened to Anna Garcia.
Right now we're doing like a murder scene, so we're investigating her body or like different suspects. So we did like lie detectors all the way to brain and blood flow.
Where she was found, what caused what, and what happened internally, like we're doing an autopsy.
The sheep heart fits into our autopsy of Anna Garcia. We use that because it's very close to human heart. And so we dissect it to see what a normal one looks like and find all the parts to it. Later on, we get to see some problem hearts with issues. And then we see Anna's heart and we compare to see if there's anything wrong with it.
What I like most would probably be just all the interesting things that you'll find, or just getting to mess with and see all the different things inside.
My favorite thing about dissections is kind of you get to learn about like the internals of like the human body and stuff. Like with the heart, you got to find out what was inside the heart.
Our second unit, which we'll start in a couple weeks, is more like a clinical care, like you're a doctor and you're trying to figure out vital signs and things like that and patient sicknesses.
For dissections, we haven't really done any others, and I'm not sure if we're going to do more when we go into the next unit, but I hope we do because it's interesting. I really like medicine and I want to go into nursing, so I think that just like learning different things about what we're doing right now is going to really help.
Someone said it was really fun. I decided to do it because I thought it'd be pretty easy.
If you are interested in taking pre-biomedical science class so you can do dissections like these, please talk to Mr. Lindsay or your school counselor to see if it's the right fit for you.
That's disgusting.
Yeah, you will not catch me cutting into hearts. Where did those come from?
Probably the FCA dodgeball tournament.
Oh, that's right. I want to go see who won.
FCA held their annual dodgeball tournament on March 11th.
We chose dodgeball because it's an easy way to get everyone together. Everyone likes playing dodgeball and it's a fun tournament.
It's just an easy sport that everybody knows how to play.
We started out in the beginning of the semester, like every 2 weeks.
We just planned out the rules and how we're going to set it up.
The planning process started at the beginning of the month when we met as a group and just talked about what we're going to do for the rest of the semester. We had 6 teams of about 6 to 7 people.
We did a bracket style play, so each team played each other.
It was double elimination, and winners played winners, and then losers battled back.
My favorite thing was probably just like the competition and watching everyone really get into it.
My favorite part was just seeing like new faces, like people that don't like always come to like our breakfast Bible studies. Like new people came, and it's just good to see them there.
I know it's been a thing since I was a freshman at least.
The purpose of the tournament was just kind of to get people together, and it's just like another like thing to do like as a group.
The purpose of the tournament was just to get people introduced to FCA. Like if they hadn't heard about it, we were really trying to get the word out there.
FCA is super important to me, so I can like share my faith out to other people and just share that common interest with other people.
FCA is important to me because it makes me feel a part of something, and it's an easy way to get to know people and share something that I have in common with them.
FCA is important to me because it's a way to join people in my faith, just gather people and build new friendships.
Congratulations to all the teams participating this year. We look forward to playing again next year.
That looked like fun, but it also looked like a workout.
I wish I would have went, but I was too busy at the gym.
You go to the gym?
No, but it's a thought that counts.
People actually do go to the gym every day. I'm curious to see who all goes to the gym.
Northwest has had a recent outbreak of gym bros heading to lift. Let's take a look at what they do.
My name is Sean Brown. My favorite lift has to be barbell back squat.
My name's Lucas Fisher, and my favorite lift is chest try bench.
My name's Jackson Parlin, and my favorite lifts would have to be incline dumbbell, bench press. I work out over at Plexe Fitness Center. I've worked out since I was a 6th grader, but I've been taking it serious for about a little over 2 years now. I work out at Feel Fit. I've been working out there for close to about 7 months now going on, but when I first started lifting it was about 6th grade.
I started working out in the start of sophomore year, and I work out at Plexe.
To just better myself, better my body. It's like a temple of God, so I'm trying to make it look the best, feel the best. I work out just to be the best version of myself and to stay healthy. Motivation is just, I don't know, me in 10 years basically, just working towards my goals.
Just to look better in my body and just do better at my sports, so I started working out.
My motivation to working out is being the best version of myself, and like within my family tree no one's really like worked out and I'm the first one, so I kind of want to get that started.
I started working out because a couple of my buddies that graduated, they told me about it, and I just started liking it. It kind of just was an everyday routine.
I started working out because my freshman year I had a couple buddies that wanted to start working out, so we went to Planet Fitness for a couple months, and then from there it just kept going.
One thing I wish I knew when I was first started lifting is like you're not trying to get in, get out, you're trying to better yourself, and form and technique and everything like that is really key to building muscle.
One thing I wish I knew is that you don't always have to work out to be in shape.
One thing I wish I knew when I started working out is everyone has the same goal, and that's just to better themselves, so don't be afraid to ask questions.
Best of luck to all the Northwest Gym Bros as they continue to progress.
Maybe I should start going to the gym.
You know what I've been thinking about lately?
Okay, why'd you change the subject?
Where does a thought go when it's forgotten?
What? I don't know.
Hey Vikings, I'm Shaylee.
And I'm Brennan.
This week we're asking Vikings random questions.
Let's go. Does the teacher have a right to give a homeless student homework?
They don't go to school, I'm guessing. Well, they might go to school, but actually teachers shouldn't be able to give homework to anyone.
If they have a box.
This is Coach Page.
Okay. When they say dog food is new and improved, who tastes it?
That's a good question, but I know some people have eaten dog food.
Dogs. Mr. Bombig, that too. Guess if they like it, they'll eat it more. If they don't like it, guess they ain't gonna eat it.
Why doesn't glue stick to the bottle?
Oh, I don't know, because it's made to not stick. I don't know.
But what makes it stick? What doesn't make it stick? Is that it?
Yes.
Because the glue is not sticky in the bottle, but it is. But it's, I don't know.
Why does round pizza come in a square box?
I don't know, because it's round, I guess. I don't know.
It's easy to make a square box than it is a round box.
Then why don't they just make the pizza square?
Some pizzas are square.
Because it's a circle.
Can a teacher give a homeless kid homework?
Sure, I suppose. I'm uncomfortable answering that question.
They just have the work. No home.
Let's go.
I'm Shaylee Stepping Stool.
That made my brain hurt.
It's because you're a blonde.
Okay, that's it. We're done. I'm Faith.
And I'm Cameron.
Deuces.